Another thing is like just yesterday, it was 20th of July, wherein it was celebrated as the 50th day, wherein the first person landed on the moon. And we are like in India, after 50 years, we are trying, and wish all the best for our children also.
Biggest, the highest contributor to the progress, to the development of this country. Educational progress, infrastructural progress म्हणत नारे ओवरऑल हेल्थ ऑफ दिस कंट्री हे हाजे सगळ्यांनी तुमच्या हातान आसतले. आज आमी पळयतात की खूब फावट आतां एक इकॉनॉमिक नाल्यार प्रोग्रेसिव्ह एक जर देश जातलो जाल्यार इकॉनॉमिक्स आर व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट
to be put to good use. And while trying to put a perspective on these things, I was just thinking about the events, the news items that had caught my eye, ear, or brain, whatever you want to call it, in the last few months. And these were, to take a few, was World Environment Day, which we celebrated a few weeks ago, World Population Day, the fact that we are possibly entering a new era in human history, which is known as Anthropocene age, the possibility of huge number of extinctions happening in the world because of human activity. Also the fact that India is going to emerge in the next few years as the world.
तांचे सिस्टमांनी क्वालिफाय जाता इतले वर्सां काडल्या म्हणून तांचे भितरली सिनियरिटी जाता. बट दॅट डज नॉट मीन नेसेसरली दॅट इट इज फॉर द गुड ऑफ गोवा. वॉट इज गुड फॉर यू इज नॉट फॉर द गुड ऑफ द होल स्टेट. तुमकां ते बरें आसत, तुमकां ते घडसावय म्हणून बरें मेळत, पूण स्टेट वेदर द स्टेट गोज फॉरवर्ड हें गरजेचें. आनी हाजेर जर नियाळ दवरतले जाल्यार वी नीड टू क्रिएट अ जनरेशन ऑफ लिडर्स, generation of young minds, ignited minds, who are going to be ethically strong. जे कितें आमी करता, जे कितें उलयतात तें पयलीं तुका मोरल स्ट्रेंथ जाय. मोरल स्ट्रेंथ जर तुका ना जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता हातूंत कांयच तुका फुडार जाता. उगीच तें तियात्र जाता. हांगा येवन तियात्रिस्ट कितलेच जाण, नाटककार कितलेच जाण येवन वतात. पूण नाटककार नासतना तुजें उलयता जाल्यार कितें तथ्य आहा आनी तथ्यूच न्ही तूं उलयता तें यू युअर सेल्फ बिलीव इन हें जर आमी दाखोवंक सोदतात लोकांक